verse 14. Then one of the 12, called Judas Iscariot, went to the chief priests and said, "What are you willing to give me if I desire him? Deliver him to you." And they counted out to him 30 pieces of silver. So from that time he sought opportunity to betray him. Now on the first day of the feast of unleavened bread, the disciples came to Jesus, saying to him, "Where do you want us to prepare for you to eat the Passover?" And he said, "Go into the city to a certain man and say to him, 'The teacher says, my time is at hand. I will keep the Passover at your house with my disciples.'" So the disciples did as Jesus had directed them, and they prepared the Passover. When evening had come, he sat down with the 12. Now as they were eating, he said, "Assuredly I say to you, one of you will betray me." And they were exceedingly sorrowful, and each of them began to say to him, "Lord, is it I?" He answered and said, "He who dipped his hand with me in the dish will betray me. The Son of Man indeed goes just as it is written of him. But woe to that man by whom the Son of Man is betrayed. It would have been good for that man if he had not been born." Then Judas, who was betraying him, answered and said, "Rabbi, is it I?" He said to him, "You have said it." So ang mga pari at eskriba ay balak hulihin ang ating Panginoon at ipapatay. Ngunit natakot sila, baka sila kuyugin ng tao. Nagpresenta si Judas at pumayag siya ibigay sa kanila si Jesus sa halagang 30 pieces of silver. Si Judas, piling apostol at kasakasama ni Jesus. Saksi siya sa mga milagro na ginawa ng ating Panginoon at mga turo ng ating Diyos sa Kanya. Pero yung puso niya ay kapit pa rin sa kasalanan. Wala nakapansin sa kanyang pagka-hipokrito. Sinabi ni Jesus, isa sa kanila ay ipagkanulo siya. Wala naman nagsabi na si Judas yun. Matutunan natin na ang pagmamahal sa pera ay magdadala sa atin sa kapahamakan. Si Judas, hindi niya isinuko ang kasalanan niya dahil sa pera. Si Joseph, binenta ang mga kapatid niya. Si Samson, binigay sa mga Palestinian. Si Ananias at Sapphira ay nagsinungaling kay Pedro. Maaari natin mahalin ang pera kahit wala ito sa atin. Maging maingat tayo. Sana tingnan din natin ang ating puso. Sabi nga sa Awit chapter 139 verses 23 and 24, nakalagay, "Search me, O God, and know my heart. Try me and know my anxieties, and see if there is any wicked way in me, and lead me in the way of everlasting." Matutunan din natin na ang kalagayang walang pag-asa ay mamamatay, na wala kay Kristo ay mapapahamak. Sabi nga sa verse 24 ni Jesus, "It would have been good for that man if he had not been born." Naway maniwala tayo sa salita ng Panginoon sa Biblia na sinasabi na may eternal na Diyos, may eternal na langit at may eternal na impyerno.